Hi, welcome to Transaction Insights. In this module, you can search for recent property sales transactions, view transaction volume trends, and view transaction price trends. Let's give it a try. Let's look into recent transactions in District 9, Singapore for terrace houses. First, choose landed property type. Then, select D09 as district and terrace house as building type. For date range, please note that the default search is 3 years of data. You can remove the start date to view all past transactions. When done, click Search. The Sales tab will show the list of property sales transactions. Use the quick filters to further refine your results. Expand and collapse the transactions for details. Sort the results by clicking the top column. You can also customize the columns that are shown. To group and compare transactions, simply click the listings to group and add to a group. Once a minimum of 2 groups is obtained, click Compare Group. Under Rental tab, you will see the list of properties that are rented. The quick filters and sorting work the same as the Sales tab. Under the Analysis tab, you'll see the graphs for sales volume, median price, and median PSF. For each graph, monthly, quarterly, and yearly view is available. Hover the graph for more details on each data point. Use the timeline scrubber to view adjust for specific time periods. Click the 3 dots to export the graph as a PNG. There are also other charts displaying information based on market share, building type, sizes and prices. Thank you for watching this video and gaining insights to the module.